Hello everyone, in this video I would like to talk to you about the set data structure in Python. It is a powerful tool that allows us to work with collections of unique elements in an unordered manner. Set offers great flexibility as they are mutable, meaning we can easily add or remove elements as needed. One of the primary uses of set is to eliminate duplicate values from a list. By converting a list into a set, we automatically remove any duplicates, leaving us with a clean and unique collection. Additionally, sets are widely employed in mathematical set operations such as union, intersection, and difference. These operations enable us to combine, find common elements, or extract distinct elements between sets. Let's delve into some key characteristics of the set data structure in Python. First and foremost, sets enforce uniqueness among their elements. If we try to add an element that already exists in the set, it will simply be ignored. This ensures that we always have a collection of distinct values. Moreover, sets are unordered, meaning the elements within them have no specific order. This distinction is important to keep in mind when iterating over set, as the order of elements may vary each time. So, the mutability of sets empowers us to modify their contents even after creation. We can effortlessly add new elements or remove existing ones, tailoring the set to our needs. However, there's a one requirement for elements in a set. They must be hashable. In simpler terms, hashable elements have a hash value that remains constant during their lifetime. So, immutable data types like integers, floats, strings, and tuples fulfill this criterion and can be used as elements of a set. On the other hand, mutable data types such as lists and dictionaries are not hashable and thus cannot be elements of a set. Alright, to facilitate our operations, Python provides a range of methods especially designed for sets. We can easily add elements using the add method, remove elements using the remove method, and check membership using the in keyword. Furthermore, sets enable us to perform set operations such as union, intersection, and difference. Firstly, the union method allows us to combine sets and obtain a new set with all the unique elements, and the intersection method helps us to find common elements between sets, while the difference method allows us to extract distinct elements from one set compared to another. Now let's go ahead and see how we can create a set in Python. There are two ways to create a set. First one is using curly braces, also known as braces, otherwise using the set constructor. Okay, let's follow the first way using the curly braces. I'm going to say fruits, set that equals to curly braces. Inside this we can pass in elements, for example apple and orange, last one banana. Okay, now if we print the type of our fruit, we can see it will be a set. Here we got a set. Now instead printing the type, we can directly print the data structure. We got apple, orange, and banana. Okay, as I told you, there's another way to create this struct, which is using the set constructor. So we have to pass in a list to this set constructor. Use square brackets, and inside square brackets we can paste these elements. Alright, now we can go ahead and print the type of our fruits. Using the type method we can do that. Here we got a set. instead using the type, we can just print values. Okay, that's how we can create a set data structure. Now let's go ahead and see how we can add elements to this set data structure. There are two ways. First one is add method and the next one is update method. Add method is used to add a single element, while update method is used to add multiple elements. Let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to say fruits dot add. We have to say the value, let's say mango. Now if we print our fruit, we should see our new element. Okay, we got mango there. So as you can see, these positions are changing because these are unordered. That means you cannot access elements by indexing. Okay, so what I can do, just try to add the mango element again. Here you can see it is not adding because values should be unique. Alright, the next way is using the update method. I'm going to say instead this add method update. So we have to pass in a list of values. First one is mango and the next one I can say pineapple. Alright, so if we run this, we should able to see pineapple and the mango in our set. Alright, so we are going to take a look at how to remove elements. To remove elements, there are three ways. First one is using the remove method. It is used to remove a specific element. Let's go ahead and see. I'm going to say fruits dot remove. Here we have to provide the element. Let's see if we want to remove this orange, and if we check our fruits again by printing it, we should not see our apple element. Okay, no, that orange one, yeah, it is not showing here. So if we attempt to remove an element that is not present in the set, it will trigger an error when we use in this remove method. Let me go ahead and show you. I'm going to remove this orange again. It is already removed. So if I run this, here it shows an error because orange is not present in the sets. If I try to remove something else that is not present in the set, here it triggers an error. So I told you there's a three ways. The next one is discard method. So that discard method also used to remove an element, but it will not raise an error if the item is not present. For example, here instead remove, I'm going to say discard. Okay, and run again. Here it is working correctly, but if I say element that already existing in our set, here it will be removed. The pineapple is not there, but this discard method allows us to run our program without errors by removing an element in a set. Okay, there's another one, which is the pop method that allows us to remove an random element from a set. Let's go ahead and try that also. Here some random one is removed. I think that is, yeah, orange is removed. Okay, let's go ahead and find whether an element is existing in the set or not. For that we can use the in keyword. I'm going to say if, and the element, let's say apple, here it is existing in the set, the keyword in, and the fruits, which is our set. Now if this is true, this line will be executed. I'm going to print apple is exists in the set. If not, the else statement will be executed. I'm going to print apple is not exist in the set. Apple is exist in the set. So what I can do, just remove this apple, so it should give us apple is not exist in the set. Okay. Alright, that is it for this video. In the future videos I will show you how we can do union and set intersection and finally set difference. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and I hope this video helps. Thank you very much.